Hi, could you introduce yourself and tell us a bit about Confirmo's journey?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm Andrew Rivera. I'm an account executive with Confirmo, and we began with a very clear mission. We wanted to simplify and secure cryptocurrency payments for businesses and their customers. Over the years, we've developed a platform which has seamlessly bridged the gap between cryptocurrencies and traditional business needs.
When was Confirmo founded and what inspired its creation as a crypto payment gateway?
Confirmo was founded in 2014 by the co-founders of CoinMate, which is one of Central Europe's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. It began as the payment gateway for CoinMate, and that gave us a really strong foundation. Having a practical purpose from our inception gave us a strong sense of direction, and we've been able to carry that on in the past decade.
What are some of the major milestones and partnerships?
There have been quite a few of major milestones. In 2015, we partnered with Trezor, the manufacturer of the world's first crypto hardware wallet, and this really helped us to bolster our security. In 2016, we partnered with Alza, which is Central Europe's largest e-commerce retailer. This really helped us to scale our operations. And in 2021, we secured a very large investment from Mitten, which is the Czech Republic's largest venture capitalist group. Most recently, we partnered with FTMO in late 2022. They're the world's largest proprietary trading firm, and they have helped us to really establish ourselves as the dominant gateway within the prop trading industry.
Could you give us an idea of the scale of Confirmo that operates in? For example, the range of industries you serve and the number of supported cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're in a pretty wide range of industries, from trading, igaming, forex, adult entertainment, business services, travel, luxury, and more. We support the 8 most popular cryptocurrencies, and we are pretty deliberate about specifying these 8 and then elaborating on the networks. We have over 20 networks available, including stablecoin support for the most popular like USDT, USDC. We're operating on nearly a global scale at this point, and we're processing nearly $50 million a month, but that number is rapidly growing.
What role do you believe crypto payments play in transforming finance?
Excellent question. So crypto payments come with less inertia, meaning that the money is able to move faster. There are fewer intermediaries, so we're able to securely and quickly process funds at scale. With iGaming companies, they typically have very high frequency demands and they have relatively low transaction value. So a lot of values need to be done quickly and for low cost, and that's something that stable coins can do phenomenally.
Confirmo has several features like automated settlements, stablecoin support, and mass payouts. Can you explain how these features make life easier for your business clients?
Yes, all of these features work together. They work in tandem to provide a comprehensive suite of financial services. So the automated settlements will automatically convert your Bitcoin or your cryptocurrency payments to a stablecoin or a fiat currency if you choose. So this makes accounting easier, but in addition, it minimizes the volatility issue. When it comes to stablecoin support, that's essential for being applicable in the broader markets. When it comes to retail transactions, stablecoins are the name of the game. So that's a necessity for us. And with mass payouts, it really simplifies the distribution of funds for online casinos, for larger corporations who could have thousands of recipients and want to fully automate this process.
Could you talk us about how you handle security for users and businesses? What measures does Confirmo take to ensure safe transactions?
Yes, well, we have a myriad of different security measures. Off the top of my head, we have multi-factor authentication, we have multi-signature wallets, strict KYC and AML protocols. We have callback passwords for our API. And in addition, we do fraud detection and we do regular security monitoring. So if a luxury merchant is claiming to sell yachts, but they have 1,000 transactions for $15 to $20, we will do some investigating to ensure that we're not complicit with any illegal money laundering activity.
One of your principles is to make crypto payments as simple as paying with a credit card. Can you explain how you have achieved this, particularly with end-user experience in mind?
Excellent question. One of the services we offer, because our software is so well polished, is that we're able to give our customer service not only to our merchant clients, but we can extend it all the way to their end customers. And this gives us an opportunity to receive feedback from the end users. We can take that data and incorporate it into our user experience to constantly improve it. This not only gives us a very direct and quick level of reception and communication with our end users, but it also gives us an opportunity to educate the end users.
Many are concerned about crypto's volatility. How does Confirmo help businesses avoid this risk with features like instant fiat and stablecoin conversion?
Well, we allow for instant conversion from a volatile cryptocurrency to a stablecoin or a fiat currency such as dollars or euros. So with this in mind, they can immediately convert their cryptocurrencies into something which has minimal volatility risk. So we've essentially eliminated the risk of volatility on their end. We assume some of the liability, but if a merchant chooses, they're more than welcome to assume some as well.
Do you have any exciting developments planned for the near future that will enhance the user experience further, especially for industries like gaming or e-commerce?
Yes, definitely. Subscriptions. There are currently a number of pseudo subscription services offered by payment gateways, but they're not truly automated. Most of them are an automatically generated invoice or a reminder to generate an invoice, which is backed up by a calendar. None of them are truly recurring automated payments, and that's something which we are on the cusp of rolling out.
You work with a variety of industries from iGaming and e-commerce to luxury goods and prop trading. Could you share some examples of how Confirmo supports these businesses differently?
Yes. So all of these businesses are very different, obviously. And in order to support all of them, we have to balance two variables. The first would be our legacy technology, which provides a very strong foundation of financial services. And the second would be a layer of customization, which allows each of these industries to tailor their checkout flow to whatever they feel is the most optimal for their end user.
Mass payouts in crypto are popular among prop trading and iGaming firms. Could you explain how Confirmo facilitates these payouts efficiently and securely?
Yes, we allow full automation. You can set up instructions for payouts using our API. And if you choose, you can also require an additional level of verification for security measures. So it can be fully automated or it can be done with a single click if you choose.
What trends do you see gaining momentum in crypto payments, and how does Confirmo stay ahead of these trends?
Great question. Stablecoins. We see the horizon, and stablecoins are surging in adoption. We've optimized our payment rails to handle and support stablecoin payments at virtually any scale. Other than that, there's a very interesting development happening at the intersection of crypto and AI agents, where AI agents may soon begin to facilitate transactions, and cryptocurrencies are the logical choice for this automation. So we're keeping a very close eye on the development within the AI agent industry.
Blockchain has huge potential to simplify payments. How do you see this playing out in the next few years, particularly for the mainstream adoption?
Well, a few different ways. On the B2B side, I see it enabling faster, cheaper, and more transparent payments. I see it improving corporate auditing, reducing fraud, and overall making for a stronger presence within the Treasury Department. On the B2C side, we'll see a continued simplification of the user experience, which will in turn drive continued adoption. So I wouldn't be surprised to see crypto payment methods become more intuitive than traditional fiat methods in maybe the next 5 to 10 years. What's really key is the collaboration within the crypto payment ecosystem. If all of the companies can come together to make clean software that works well together, it's only a matter of time.
For anyone considering accepting crypto payments or who's curious about it, what message would you like to share?
Get started sooner rather than later. Honestly, I don't have to explain the advantage to being an early adopter as opposed to a laggard. It's quickly gaining popularity. The institutional players have already began to incorporate it into their product pipelines. So I would highly recommend getting started, maybe with something modest, something with low risk like a stablecoin, purchase it, play with it, see what gaps it can fill, and understand how it can be incorporated into your business model, because it's quickly growing. It only makes sense to offer this to your end users.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you very much. I appreciate the interview.